Barcoded patient ID wristbands have been used for years to rapidly capture data on patients, including medications and treatments, while mitigating data entry errors. These barcoded bands frequently fail to scan, as the barcodes fade or are damaged due to bathing the residents. As a result, nursing rounds are interrupted until the damaged wristband is replaced. That's all changed with the introduction of the TAL Patient Bracelet, the first of its kind developed for long-term care and rehabilitation facilities such as yours. Now you can confidently rely on the TAL bracelet to provide flawless ID scanning without interruptions. Outfit those in your care with a comfortable, adjustable, waterproof bracelet made from soft, flexible plastic, infused with an antibacterial additive. A transparent, waterproof cover protects the barcodes for error-free scans. The TAL bracelet features holes to insert color-coded risk buttons to visually flag a patient's critical and essential conditions. Snap locks are used to secure the bracelet to the resident's wrist and can only be removed by cutting with scissors. The TAL bracelet houses an embedded NFC data chip, which can be read and updated using smartphones. Batteries are not required. Store emergency transport data on the NFC chip to provide emergency responders with a quick reference to critical information and essential instructions. The chip also synchronizes with our optional TAL Cloud services. The TAL bracelet is reusable, reduces skin abrasions, and offers a return on your investment in 9 to 12 months. Our TAL Patient Bracelet supports barcode scanning, NFC technology, an emergency transportation database, and cashless payments, all of which are a part of the many benefits for your facility. Contact us today to learn more about our revolutionary TAL Patient Bracelet by calling 914-552-1871 or visit us online at myretour.com.